Here's an example of a leak that's not fixed and needs to be fixed. Grown up with weeds. This is an example of our cheap valves and what they do in the closed position. That leak that we just looked at before this was also shut off. This leak here is shut off and still leaking because of substandard materials in the system. All substandard materials. Most valves on the corners, as this is off the roadway, that 6-inch PVC cover, they're all substandard valves. Should never have gone in. There's a lid for a valve cover. There's one that doesn't have it. It was in a floodplain, and now we no longer have access to that valve. But even with lids, it doesn't guarantee the kids won't take it off and fill them with rocks. We found that problem before. Another pressure reducing valve down in that tub. These are the valves that are of standard quality located in the roadways. This one happens to be on the pavement. An example of a new policy where anytime a leak is fixed and there's no water drop or a flush point in the area, one is installed at the same time while the backhoe and the line is exposed by use of a 2-inch corporation stop, drilling a live line tap, and then putting another good shut-off valve out of the roadway for the flush point. Example of buried valves that need the metal detector for location. Example of valves that are supposed to be buried, but because of the shallow pipeline, they break the surface of the ground and are in danger of getting bladed out by the road grader.